Welcome back. This video will explain how to add or edit appointment types in the HearForm Pro scheduler. It's easy to add a new or edit a previously created appointment type in our scheduler. Just click the filters button here and then using the mouse wheel scroll down to the bottom of this area here where you can click the button called New Appointment Type. Doing so pops up a window. I'm just going to type in new type, but of course you type in anything that's important for your practice. And then it's very important to click on the left side of these three panels. Click on the left side first. If you try clicking in the middle, then it won't do anything. So when you create a brand new appointment type, click on the left, then you can choose an appointment type. I can kind of slide down a little bit and choose from really a myriad of different colors. Once I choose a color, I can also choose a transparency, but you typically would not do that. I'm just going to leave it set where it was approximately. And if you happen to know what a red, green, blue, and the A stands for an alpha channel or a transparency, you can actually type those numbers in right here if desired. And just in case you want to see what those are, I have some links in our HearForm embedded videos. You can look at the bottom of the help section and you'll see two links in there. One for a color picker that's very basic here. As you can see, I can just kind of scroll through and change the colors a little bit here, or I can come and do this in a little more advanced area, and as you can see the color just a little bit more here. So our red, green, blue values are here if you want to go to that extreme, and the transparency, as you can see the little boxes below, as it's almost like a ping where you can choose how transparent or clear that is. If you want, you can then paste in those numbers right there, copy them, and then come back to the HearForm scheduler. Let's just pop that up again and do your best to paste that in so it works just right. If you don't paste it right, then you won't get anything. So make sure that you paste it correctly in this area here. Okay, so I'm going to save my change. And now I have a new type, but you'll notice that it pops up to the top. It does not automatically alphabetize within the list until the program is closed or reopened. So it essentially builds the list and alphabetizes it on startup. If you want, you can click this little button here, and even the balloon help tells you sort or arrange appointment types after adding new types. Now that will essentially restart your scheduler if that's what you want to do, and then it will alphabetize that correctly. Another thing that you can do is take a previously created appointment that you may not like and click the gear icon to the right, for example right here, and if I wanted to change that from a 6-month to a 9-month check, I can just do that. And again, in this case, because a color is already selected, I can actually start and change that color right here and then click save, and that will save my new appointment type and color. So I'm going to press cancel because I don't really want to do that. But once you do that, again, you may want to click this button up here, which will essentially refresh the whole calendar and start over. But it's really easy to set appointment types using this method, and to get rid of anything that you don't want, for example, acoustic reflex, you can click the word delete and then click it. There's a few more warnings to make sure that you absolutely want to do that, and that will get rid of that appointment type, perhaps making the list a little bit less cluttered. So that's how you work with appointment types in our scheduler.